What you're looking at is a complete kitchen transformation by VKB Kitchen and Bath, a company that's built a reputation for taking spaces that aren't working and turning them into something you genuinely want to spend time in. This is one of those kitchens. The cabinetry is white shaker with crown molding running all the way to the ceiling. That detail alone transforms the space from a kitchen with cabinets into one that feels architecturally designed. The countertops are quartz, soft white with subtle veining, and unlike natural stone, it never needs sealing or special care. Behind the range, a full herringbone subway tile backsplash runs wall to wall. The diagonal pattern creates movement without adding color, and the gloss finish bounces light beautifully across the whole space. Right above the range is a wall-mounted brushed nickel pot filler, functional, architectural, and the kind of detail that tells you this renovation was thought all the way through. That's what VKB Kitchen and Bath does. They don't just renovate, they consider every finish, every fixture, every proportion is working together.